from the blog CleverlyChanging's.com.
Today I'm showing you a library extension that can save you money. Minutes to just show you very quickly, and it's really just a couple seconds, to show you how to install the library extension, which will tell you which books that are available on Amazon are also available for free in your library. So to do that, you go to, you can just type in library extension in Google and choose the Firefox extension. If you have Chrome, it is also available on Chrome. But I'm going to show you how to do the one for Firefox. So once you are on the page, you would click Add to Firefox, which is, you may have to double click like I just did. And then it says the library extension has been added to Firefox. You say, okay, I got it. Then if you look at the top, you see 3 books. That indicates that this is, in fact, the library extension. And so you click on that and you put in where you are located. This extension is, again, for Amazon. So if you're located in the United States, you just pick whichever state you're in. And so I am going to choose, and then you pick whichever library that is the one that you use. And so you add that information in and you click add, and voila. So I just kind of wanted to show that to you. It was pretty easy to see.